Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the hover speech tool in the Read&Write browser extension. This feature is only available with the browser extension and does not appear in the desktop version of Read&Write. The hover speech tool is useful for reading words on a page that doesn't allow the text-to-speech tool because of images and links, but it does have text that can be read aloud. On the Read&Write toolbar, the hover speech tool is the speech bubble with an arrow icon, and when you hover your mouse over, you can see the words hover speech will appear. To use this tool or any of the tools on the browser extension, click on the icon and a small dot will appear, and the icon will change colour to show you are currently using that feature. The hover speech icon only appears on web pages that will allow you to use this feature. To use the hover speech feature, go to the web page you want to read the text aloud on. Then click on the hover speech icon and move your cursor to the word or sentence you want to read aloud and hover on it until a yellow highlighter appears and a voice begins to speak. You can press the pause button anytime or stop speaking with the stop button.
Harrow, Richmond and Uxbridge Colleges.
In the Read&Write settings, under the Speech tab, you can choose which voice you would like to hear when reading aloud. You can also set the speed of the voice. You can choose whether you want the voice to continuously read, which means if you want it to read a whole page rather than just a sentence or a word, it will continue reading till you press the stop button.
We are Harrow, Richmond and Uxbridge Colleges, HRUC, one of the largest further education colleges in England.
So that is the hover speech feature in the Read&Write browser extension. For more help on how to use the other Read&Write toolbar features, please check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.